Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was 25 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. You've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So you've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap either inside the graph or on a specific app. The first option will show you the dashboard with the specific time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week, so you will be able to compare it. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. What is more, under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with and the specific time you've spent on them. And as I said, the second option, you can tap directly on the app, so for example the settings, and again you will have this dashboard, but this time it will show you the time specifically to this app. Again, you can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. What is more, you've got the ways to disconnect, so if you decide that you are spending too much time on the screen, you can limit it. For example, by using the focus mode, you can set a specific schedule by selecting distracting apps for you. So for example, some kind of social media. You can set a schedule, particular days of the week, the particular hours, and then your device, after tapping on set, of course, your device will limit the notifications from those distracting apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.